Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Dear viewers, inshallah, in today's video, you are going to learn Para 1 Suratul Baqarah from ayat number 5 to ayat number 7. Let's start reading. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم أولئك على هدى من ربهم وأولئك هم المفلحون. أولئك. Look at this word أولئك. You can see Hamza after khada zabar, so it is madde muttasil. You have to stretch up to 5 harakat like this. أولئك. And then there is meme after 2 zabar in the word hudam. Hudam. Meme after 2 zabar after tanween, and meme is a yarmalun letter. Idgham will be done in this word and gunna will also be done. You have to read like this hudam. And then mir rabbihim. You can see ra yarmalun letter after nun sakin. Idgham will be done, but gunna will not be done, because in case of ra and lam, idgham is done without gunna. So it will be mir rabbihim. Do not read mir rabbihim. And then wa ulaika. Same madde muttasil. You have to stretch up to 5 harakat. And then humul muflihun. It is ha, pronounced from the middle part of your throat like this. Muflihun. Do not say muflihun. Okay. Next ayat. إن الذين كفروا سواء عليهم أأنذرتهم أم لم تنذرهم لا يؤمنون. إن الذين. Look at this word. You can see tashdid on top of noon. So it is noon mushaddad, and noon mushaddad is pronounced with gunna. So you have to do gunna in noon mushaddad like this. Innal ladhina. The duration of gunna is up to one alif up to 2 harakat. Innal ladhina. That means you have to keep the sound in your nose up to 2 harakat. And then ladhina. Dhal is pronounced without whistle. Do not read lazina. Say ladhina softly. Kafaru. You can see waw sakin, and there is pesh before waw sakin. It is waw madda. You have to stretch up to 2 harakat. Kafaru. And then sawaun. You can see hamza after alif madda in the same word. It is madde muttasil. You have to stretch up to 5 harakat. Sawaun alayhim. It is ain pronounced from the middle part of your throat. Do not say alayhim. Do not read hamza. If you say alayhim, that means you are reading hamza. It is alayhim from the middle part of your throat. And there is zabar before ya sakin. It is ya leen, and ya leen is pronounced without stretching. So you don't need to stretch as alayhim. No, without stretching. Alayhim. A'anzartahum. You can see dhal after noon sakin, and dhal is an ikhfa letter, so ikhfa will be done and gunna will be done in noon sakin. You have to read like this a'anzartahum. Do not say a'anzartahum, but a'anzartahum. And after noon sakin there is zal. It's not za, and zal is pronounced without whistle. A'anzartahum. Am lam tunzirhum. There is ikhfa again. Zal after noon sakin. So you have to read with gunna. Tunzirhum. La yu'minun. You can see hamza sakin in this word, and hamza sakin is always pronounced with sudden pause. You have to read yu'minun. Do not say yu'minun, but la yu'minun. Next ayat. ختم الله على قلوبهم وعلى سمعهم وعلى أبصارهم غشاوة ولهم عذاب عظيم. Look at the word ختم الله. Kha is a mustaliya letter. You have to read with thick voice. And then there is zabar before the lam of Allah's name. So you have to read lam with thicker voice like this. Khatamallahu. Don't say khatamallahu, but khatamallahu. Ala. Pronounce ain from the middle part of your throat. Qulubihim. Qaf is a mustaliya letter. You have to read with thicker voice. Wa'ala sam'ihim. Pronounce ain from the middle part of your throat. Do not say sam'ihim. If you say sam'ihim, that means you are reading hamza. It's not hamza, it is ain. So read sam'ihim. Wa'ala. You can see zabar after khada zabar. Sorry, you can see hamza after khada zabar in the next word. So it is madde munfasil. You have to stretch khada zabar up to 5 harakat because it is madde munfasil. Ala, like this. And then in the word absarihim, ba is a qalqala letter. You have to rebounce the sound like ab. Return your voice, make an echo sound. Absarihim. And sad is a mustaliya letter. You have to read with thicker voice. Absarihim. And sad is also pronounced with whistle sound. Do not pronounce sad without whistle like absarihim, but with whistle. Absarihim. Ghishawatun. You can see waw after tanween after two pesh, and waw is a yarmaloon letter. Idgham will be done, gunna will be done. You have to read like this. Ghishawatun. Keep the sound in your nose up to 2 harkat. Walahum adhabun. Pronounce dhal without whistle. Adhabun. Do not say azabun. Read adhabun. Azim. And dha is also a mustaliya letter. You have to read with thicker voice. And dha is pronounced without whistle sound. Do not read azim, but read without whistle and thicker voice. Azim. Without whistle and with thicker voice. Azim. Inshallah, in the next video you will be learning the other ayat of Surah Baqarah.